Hello, fabulous first graders. Today we are going to do 3.10 and we're going to do page 10 and page 11. All right, guys? All right, so for today we are going to subtract to 10. So that means we're going to subtract numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10, up to 10. And we're going to circle if the statement is true or false. So true means it's right, false means it's wrong. All right, so let's get started. Go ahead and do what I'm doing. I'm going to give you an example for the first like 3 or 4, and then I'll let you do the last 2 on your own. So make sure you follow along, draw your circles, and do what I am doing. Perfect. If I go too fast, you can always pause and then catch up after that. All right. So 4 minus 4 equals 8. Well, let's see if that's true. We can do that by drawing 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And then we are going to cross off 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we have 8 left? No, we have 0 left. That's definitely false. So we circle false. All right. For this one, it says 5 minus 3 equals 2. So we're going to draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. How many do we have left? 1, 2. That's true. Circle true. All right, so for this one, 8 minus 4 equals 4. So we're going to draw 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now we're going to cross off 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did we have 4 left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we did. We circled true. Good job, guys. All right, this is the last one I'm going to do with you. Are you ready? Okay, we start with 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now we're going to cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. Did we have 3 left? 1, 2, 3. Yep. Yes, we had 3 left. That is true. All right, I'd like you to finish these 2 on your own by drawing your dots and crossing them off and then circling true or false. All right, moving down to here. It says rewrite the problem to make it correct. All right, so 3 minus 1. Well, if we had 3 dots, okay, and then we took away 1, we would only have 2. So that can't be right. So what they did is they kind of reversed it, okay? Kind of like when we had a matchy match for a Go Fish game. They took these numbers and they rewrote them so that they would actually be true. So I'm gonna erase this. And we look here, oh, well, when we subtract, we always start with a bigger number. So that's good. So we put 4 there. So we could take away 1 or 3, really. Let's go ahead and do 1. That's a little bit easier. So 4 take away 1 equals 3. So we're going to show that with our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. We took away 1. Did that give us 3? Yes, it did. All right, well, this one's not written correctly because the bigger number is in the back. So here they put the bigger number in the front, okay? And we're going to go ahead, I'd say let's subtract 1. That's always a little easier. And then we put 8 here. Remember, you can just flip-flop your numbers, but we have to show it. So let's draw 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to cross off 1. 1. Well, did that give us 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it did. I'm going to see if you can flip-flop the other one on your own. Doing this one on your own. Pause me if you need to take some time to do that. All right. So now we're moving on to the back side of the page, and it says fluency. Next week, we're going to be practicing some of our fluency skills by doing a program called Extra Math, and you're going to be trying to get faster at adding and subtracting. All right. We're going to start with adding on Extra Math, and then we'll move on to subtracting after that. All right, guys? So let's just get a little bit faster with this. So it says solve to make each statement true. Now I'm going to let you choose how you would like to do this. You can draw your dots, you can use your number line, okay? How you want to do it, it's up to you. I'm going to show you with dots, but you may choose to use a number line and dice. You may choose to use your fingers. I'll let you use your fingers for this if you'd like, but I'll show you with dots. So you're welcome to do that way or a different way to get this fluency paper done. All right, so this is one of those what questions. 4 plus what equals 10? Okay, so if we have 10, that's our final number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so if we have 10, okay, and we take 4 of them, cross off 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna see how many do we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we need 4 and 6 to make 10. All right, very good, guys. All right, now let's finish with our addition problems going down here because it's a little different when you do your subtraction with the dots, okay? All right, so here with addition, we're gonna start with 6. You draw 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna cross off 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we had this part, and now we need this part to make the 6. So how many is in this part? 2. Good job, guys. All right. How about this one? 5. We're going to draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And then we're going to cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, we have this part and that part. How many are in this part? There's 2. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. I'm going to let you guys do these two right now on your own. You can use your dots, you can use your fingers, you can use whatever strategy you'd like to get those done. All right? And just pause me if you need a little more time, and then come on back and we'll do the subtraction side over here. All right, moving on. All right, so now we start with the bigger number over here, right? Because subtraction always starts with the bigger number. So last time we drew the dots to represent the end, and this time we're gonna draw the dots to match the beginning. So you're gonna draw 9 dots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Okay, now we're subtracting how many to get 7? Well, if you cross off 7, then you'll know what the other part is. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know the other part is going to be 2. All right, let's try that again. It's a little bit different than that one, all right? You start with the bigger number. You're gonna draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now we're gonna cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. There's one part. And there's the other part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5. All right. We're going to do this last one, and then you're going to do the last 2 on your own. Now remember, we're going to start with a bigger number, and we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to cross off 1. That's one part, and this is the other part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6. And there you go, guys. Finish these last 2 on your own, and you have finished your math lesson. You guys have a fabulous Friday. Bye.